the Quran easy to understand and remember? Then is there any that will receive admonition?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Class, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
Alhamdulillah, we are going to start, inshallah, our second lesson, lesson 2. من هو؟ هو أب. وما هذا؟
هذا باب.
هل هذا باب؟
نعم.
نعم، هذا باب. هذه جنة. هل هذه جنة؟
نعم.
نعم، هذه جنة. هذه جنة. هذه جنة. هذا حرف. ما هذا؟ هذا حرف. هل هذا بيت؟
لا.
ما هذا؟ هذا حرف. هذا حرف. هذا حرف. ما هذا؟
هذا خبز.
هذا خبز. هل هذا قلم؟
لا.
ما هذا؟
هذا خبز.
هذا خبز. ما هذه؟
هذه عين.
هذه عين. هل هذه يد؟
لا.
ما هذه؟
هذه عين.
هذه عين. هذه عين. وما هذه؟
هذه غرفة.
هذه غرفة. هذه غرفة. هل هذه مائدة؟
لا.
ما هذه؟ هذه غرفة. هذه غرفة. هذه غرفة. هذه فلك. هذه فلك. ما هذه؟
هذه فلك.
هذه فلك. هل هذه فلك؟
نعم.
نعم، هذه فلك. هل هذه جنة؟
لا.
ما هذه؟
هذه
فلك. ما هذا؟
هذا قلم.
هذا قلم. هل هذا كتاب؟ لا. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. هذا قلم. هذه كأس. هل هذه كأس؟
نعم.
نعم، هذه كأس. هل هذه عين؟
لا.
ما هذه؟ هذه كأس. كأس. هذه كأس. ما هذا؟ هذا مال. هذا مال. هل هذا مال؟
نعم.
نعم، هذا مال. هذا مال. هذا مال. من هو؟
هو ولد.
هو ولد. هو ولد. هل هو ولد؟
نعم.
نعم، هو ولد. هل هو رجل؟
لا.
من هو؟
هو ولد.
هل هو أب؟
لا.
من هو؟
هو
ولد. هدى. guidance. هدى. guidance. ما هذه؟
هذه يد.
هذه يد. هل هذه عين؟
لا.
ما هذه؟
هذه يد.
هذه يد. هذه يد. ما هذه؟
هذه جنة.
هذه جنة. هل هذه فلك؟
لا.
ما هذه؟
هذه جنة.
وما هذه؟
هذه كأس.
هذه كأس. وما هذا؟
هذا حرف.
هذا حرف. هذا حرف. هل هذا قلم؟
لا.
ما هذا؟
هذا حرف.
هذا حرف. When I turn, please tell me which noun I'm turning.
جنة.
جنة. جنة. جنة. Yes? حرف. حرف.
فلك.
فلك. فلك. كأس. 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 These are altogether 14 nouns. Which are the new nouns? which we have introduced?
Jannah.
Jannah,
Harf.
Harf,
Fulk.
Fulk,
Kas.
Kas,
And Huda.
and Huda. 5. Alhamdulillah. So 5 new nouns we have introduced. So what is the meaning of Jannah? A garden. A garden. Harf,
Field.
a field. Fulk,
Ship.
a ship. Kas,
Glass.
a glass. And Huda,
Guidance.
guidance. Huda, guidance. Huda, guidance. Now we are going to learn new thing, inshallah. When we apply al to the indefinite noun, then we can turn that indefinite noun into definite. So it means what? Al in Arabic is a definite article. A definite article. When al is applied to a noun, then tanween disappears. Perhaps al doesn't like tanween. Tanween disappears. So here, kitabun, when we change it into definite, will become what? Al-kitabu. Al-kitabu. Fine. So if you help me to change these our nouns into definite, apply al. Al-abu. Al-abu. Al-babu. Al-babu. Al-babu.
Al-Jannah.
Al-jannatu. Al-jannatu.
Al-Harf.
Al-harfu. Al-harfu. Al-harf. Yes?
Al-Khubzu.
Al-khubz. Al-khubz.
Al-Ain.
Al-ainu. Al-ain.
Al-Ghurfa.
Ghurfa.
Al-ghurfatu. Al-ghurfah.
Al-Fulku.
Al-fulk. Al-fulku. Al-fulk.
Al-Qalamu.
Al-qalamu. Al-qalam.
Al-Ka'su.
Al-ka'su. Al-ka's.
Al-Malu.
Al-mal. Al-malu. Al-mal.
Al-Waladu.
Al-waladu. Al-walad.
Al-Huda.
Al-huda.
Al-Yad.
Al-yadu. Al-yad. Al-yadu. Al-yad. And when we apply this al, so is it possible when I mention to you with al, is it possible for you to give it a meaning? Now, I'm applying al to both the nouns by applying this our wa. Al-abu wal-bab.
The father and the door.
The father and the door. The father and the door. Al-jannatu wal-harf.
The garden and the field.
The garden and the field. The garden and the field. Al-khubzu wal-ain.
The bread.
The loaf of bread and
the eye.
the eye. And the eye. Al-ghurfatu wal-fulk.
The room
And the
and the
ship.
ship.
The room and the ship. Al-qalamu wal-ka's.
The pen and the glass.
The pen and the glass. Al-malu wal-walad.
The money.
Money and
The boy.
Money and the boy. Al-huda wal-yad.
The guidance and the hand.
The guidance and the hand. Please note, these are altogether 14 nouns. 14 nouns. And these nouns are alphabetically arranged. That is, a, b. And they start with one of the moon letters. Now, what is the meaning of these moon letters? Let me explain to you. It's not that they descended from the moon. In Arabic, al-qamar means the moon. Now, this actually provides us a set, an example, a model, that whenever we apply al, qaf is one of the moon letters. There are 14 moon letters and 14 sun letters. 28 letters of Arabic alphabet are divided equally. 14 are moon letters and 14 are sun letters. So it doesn't mean that these 14 letters have descended from moon. No. They accept the pattern whenever al is going to be applied, when we make them definite, whenever any noun, but it starts with one of the moon letters, then we make that particular noun definite and we apply al, then lam of al will be articulated. Lam of al will be articulated, as we have articulated when we made all these nouns, change these nouns into definite. Al-abu wal-bab, al-jannatu wal-harth, al-khubzu wal-ayn, al-ghurfatu wal-fulk, al-qalamu wal-kas, al-malu wal-walad, al-huda wal-yad. Lam of al will be articulated, as we have articulated when we made all these nouns, change these nouns into definite. Al-abu wal-bab, al-jannatu wal-harth, al-khubzu wal-ayn, al-ghurfatu wal-fulk, al-qalamu wal-kas, al-malu wal-walad, al-huda wal-yad. And these are alphabetically arranged because rest of them are treated as sun letters. So we have not included any noun which starts with the sun letter. So here A is a moon letter, Ba is a moon letter, Jim is a moon letter, Ha moon letter, Kha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Mim, Waw, Ha, and Ya. These are all moon letters. And the nouns starts, all these nouns start with one of the moon letters. So when the noun starts with one of the moon letters, and if we would like to change that noun into definite, you apply al. Why we apply al?
To make it definite.
Yes, it is a definite article in Arabic. And when we apply al to indefinite noun, then what happens? Tanween disappears, which is a sign of indefiniteness, which is the sign of indefiniteness. The tanween disappears and leaves only the haraka. So this is haraka, dhamma here. So it will become what? If we apply al to kitabun, it will become what? Al-kitabu. Al-kitabu. And how many letters are there which are treated as moon letters?
14.
14. So all 28 Arabic letters are divided into two groups. First group is known as moon letters, and the second group is known as the sun letters. Let us go to this, our rule number 13. All 28 Arabic consonants are divided on phonetic ground into two equal groups. 14 are known as huruful qamariyya, the moon letters. And these are a, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, waw, ha, and ya. And the remaining letters are al-huruf, al-shamsiyya, the sun letters. And these are the remaining 14. Ta, th, the, ra, z, sa, sh, swad, bod, ta, va, lam, nun. So these are sun letters. Let us go to this rule number 14, which says, when the article al is placed at the beginning of an indefinite noun, it makes it definite. And the tanween, nunation, confines it to a haraka, a short vowel. Example analysis, babun, a door, al-bab, the door. Babun is indefinite because the final consonant ba carries a tanween. When the article al is placed at the beginning of the noun, the tanween of the final consonant ba is confined to a haraka, dhamma, because it was carrying dhamma, tanween, previously. The article al is a definite article in Arabic. Rule number 15. When an indefinite noun begins with one of the moon letters and is changed into a definite noun by placing al at the beginning, the lam of al should be recited. Al-bab, the door. Al-jannatu wal-harth. All 14 nouns in this unit begin with one of the moon letters, and all includes the article al. Therefore, lam of al should be recited and all become definite. What I suggest is, if we better go to our unit 7 of our lesson 2 and try to read.
Al-abu wal-babu.
Al-abu wal-bab, the father and the door.
Al-jannatu wal-harth.
Al-jannatu wal-harth, the garden and the field.
Al-khubzu wal-ayn.
Al-khubzu wal-ayn, the loaf of bread and the eye.
Al-ghurfatu wal-fulk.
Al-ghurfatu wal-fulk, the room and the ship.
Al-qalamu wal-kas.
Al-qalamu wal-kas, the pen and the glass.
Al-malu wal-walad.
Al-malu wal-walad, money and the boy.
Al-huda wal-yad.
Al-huda wal-yad, the guidance and the hand. Alhamdulillah, in this unit, we learned 14 moon letters. We also learned how to change an indefinite noun into definite by placing al. Al is a sign of definiteness. Tanween is a sign of indefiniteness. When we say al-bab, it means one specific door, no other door. When we say al-jannah, it means that one specific garden, no other garden. It is definite, specific, particular. So that is the function of al, and these are the moon letters. Let us try to move to other nouns. Turab, turab, soil. Turab, soil. Turab, soil. Turab, soil. Thob, thob, garment. Thob, garment. Thob, garment. Thob, garment. هذه دنيا. ما هذه؟
هذه دنيا.
هذه دنيا. هذه دنيا. هل هذه فلك؟
لا.
ما هذه؟ هذه دنيا. هذه دنيا. هذه دنيا. ذهب gold. ذهب gold. ذهب gold. ذهب. هذا ذهب. وما هذا؟ هذا ثوب. هذا ثوب. وما هذه؟
هذه دنيا.
هذه دنيا. هذه دنيا. من هو؟
هو رجل.
هو رجل. هو رجل. هل هو ولد؟
لا.
من هو؟
هو رجل.
هو رجل. هو رجل. هو رجل. هو رجل. هو رجل. وما هذه؟ هذه زهرة. هذه زهرة. هذه زهرة. هذه سماء. هل هذه شمس؟
لا.
ما هذه؟
هذه سماء.
هذه سماء. هذه سماء. هذه شمس. هذه شمس. هذه شمس. هذا صراط. هذا صراط. هذا صراط. It also means طريق. ضوء. 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 هذا طعام. 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 هذه ظلمة. هذه ظلمة. ما هذه؟ هذه ظلمة. هذه ظلمة. ما هذا؟ هذا ليل. هذا ليل. هذا ليل. هذا ليل. وما هذه؟ هذه نهار. هذه نهار. هذه نهار. Please note that we have a few new nouns which we have introduced in this unit. That is our unit number 8. Which are the new nouns? Would you please introduce? Turab, Thawb,
دنيا
Dunya,
ذهب
Dhahab,
صراط
Sirat,
ضوء
Daw, Ta'am,
ظلمة
Zulma,
ليل
Layl,
نهار
Nahar. Oh, mashallah, class is very clever. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Now I'm turning. You let me know, please. Turab. Yes? Thawb. Yes?
دنيا
Dunya. I'm turning the word. Yes?
ذهب
Dhahab. Dhahab. Yes?
صراط
Sirat. Yes?
ضوء.
ضوء
Daw. And
طعام
Ta'am.
ظلمة.
Zulma.
ليل
Layl. Layl.
نهار.
Nahar. Nahar. Now all these nouns start with the sun letters. And inshallah, it will be possible for us to understand these nouns in our next episode. Thank you very much for your excellent cooperation. Barakallahu li walakum wal jameel muslimin. Innahu ta'ala jawadun kareemun malikum barraufur rahim.
الرحمن الرحيم